The pinnacle performance Continental GT features advanced chassis technology harnessed specifically for the new model. New electronic all-wheel steering enhances the dynamic nature of the Speed in Bentley and Comfort driving modes. However, this is even more apparent in Sport mode, as the steering combines with Bentley Dynamic Ride and an electronic limited slip differential for a level of agility unlike any other Bentley road car. Specifically tuned hand-in-hand with the traction control and active chassis systems, the ELSD provides increased lateral capacity, improved longitudinal stability, enhanced on-throttle adjustability and delivers better traction in adverse road conditions. Featuring active all-wheel drive, the traction control and torque distribution has been recalibrated in all driver modes to provide a noticeable character shift relative to the standard Continental GT. The new GT Speed is the ultimate performance-focused expression of Bentley's definitive Grand Tourer, yet maintains the luxury, comfort, and usability of its siblings. It is equipped with an uprated version of Bentley's renowned 6.0-liter W12 TSI engine, delivering 659 PS, 650 bhp, a 4% increase of 24 PS over the current W12 model whilst maintaining an extraordinary 900 Nm, 664 pound-foot, of torque. With exceptional handling, this results in a top speed of 208 miles per hour, 335 kilometers per hour, and 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.6 seconds, a reduction of 0.1 second.